We all hate this level of
No,
security.
he's staying
And
in.
yet none
He's
of us
got
feel
the
safe.
banana.
And so I defer to people like Frank Pigluzzi and obviously General Honore and others who know way more about what's necessary to secure the Capitol. But my sense of it is, at least among the sane members of Congress, and that's not all of them, unfortunately, but the sane ones, all would like to be past this moment where Mitch McConnell says, it looks like cobble up there.
What you doing, Minx?
But I don't think that
Kind of like it in there?
right now that without knowing anything of the kind of detail that someone like Frank does,
You're certainly not coming out.
it's not safe right now. And
What is the
He's
impact
gonna lay down. Oh, he's kind of liking this. Oh, it's perfect. Your phone is in a perfect spot. Nope, go back in. There you go. Oh, he's just chilling.
That is so awesome.
Is that all it took was to put his weed in there? You like that, Minx? He's checking it out, sniffing it.
Yeah, it smells in there.
Good. He'll start hanging out.
Hopefully he'll stay in there and hang out in there.
oftentimes, law enforcement enters the residence of such a person, as they'll be doing soon with this subject. They often find that the person's become obsessed with a past act.
Oh yeah, he is hidden. He likes it. I'm sure he likes it.
That's all it took was to put his banana in there.
Yeah,
Had that for what, 3 weeks or something?
I think probably. What day is it? Yeah. 2 weeks. No, maybe 3 weeks. Well, this is our Minx cat, and he just went into his little home for the first time, and he seems to be liking it. He likes hiding. Well, that's cool.